long. It's very windy today.
Today I don't need to think of where the wind goes into the microphone. It is very clear. It's really windy today, and the lake has opened up, so I thought we're going to take a paddle, but we will not do it on the big lake Öjaren. We will do it on the small lake Öjaren. Hey! Oh. 2 weeks ago I was on the ice edge on Lake Öjaren, and this week it disappeared just as it came in the beginning of the winter, and now Lake Öjaren is ice free. So I'm excited to paddle and do the first lake paddle here for the year. And in last week's vlog it was a lot of water in the river. It has going down and it looks like this now, and you can see the dock. I've been very busy this week, so I have not been paddling for 8 days. I think it is 8 days. That's not normal for me to not paddle. I almost paddle every day, but you know, I have started to build my kayak shed. Mostly now in the beginning I'm taking away plants and replant everything, and it takes some time to rebuild everything, and hopefully this week I will start to build the kayak shed, but it will take some time and it will be less paddling. And together we've been doing something that also takes times. We've been practicing guitar and mandolin and singing, and today we sang and played for the first time in many years.
Yes.
For you it might be like 20 years.
Yeah.
20 years since you last was playing for an audience.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, and for me it might be, I did it once a month ago and this was the second time, but before that it was like 8 years. So it's been a lot of things that have taken time from paddling, but now let's do the lake paddling. Here we have some ice. This might be the last ice we see for the season.
Yes, I think so.
So it's best that we enjoy the moment. Up here was it almost windless. We are covered from the wind by the forest, and in the winter you go here with the snowmobile, so you have some signs here where you can go with the snowmobile or skis in the winter. But we have not done that for a couple of years.
No, it was quite some time.
Yeah, but yeah, for some years we did go with the snowmobile here every year.
Yes.
That was another time.
It was, yeah.
We have a lovely sun for the moment, but this morning it started with snow and -degrees. We had quite warm weather for a week or something, but then it changed, and I think it's around +1 for the moment, so it's quite cold. And it's also funny that now I think this is cold, but when it was like -5 I thought it was okay. But as soon as you get warmer temperature, at least I start to feel that it is cold when it gets colder again. I'm very busy for the moment, so if you don't find a vlog on a Saturday, you know that I probably have been using the hammer too much and working on my new kayak shed. And Erika said that she want to try the waves going down with the kayaks, so we will test that. We start with a tunnel and then take it downwind. Is it fun?
Yes, it is.
So different from paddleboarding with the kayaks.
Yeah.
This is piece of cake with a kayak. And now it is time to turn back and have the fun part that I think is fun, going with the waves. We will take them like this, upside down, better for aerodynamic. When we went here, it was not so good to have them upright.